There are so many weight loss tools, especially for abdominal weight loss. But how do you know if it's worth the money? This is Estelle, and today I'm going to break down what this is, how to use it, and if it's even worth having, all from the expertise of a medical massage therapist. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. This specific tool was advertised as a weight loss tool to help with cellulite. Once plugged in, you can turn the dial here to turn it on. Make sure to put on one of these covers though. I do like that they are machine washable. This tool is only restricted for use on the neck. They claim that you will lose weight using this daily. I use this tool twice a day for 15 minutes minimum. I did not lose weight from this tool. I wasn't expecting to though. Weight problems are always systemic. One tool isn't going to heal your metabolism, it's just not. I still used it mostly on my abdomen. What it did do was help with the bloating, trigger points, and inflammation, lowering my pain. And it's a low risk tool. Just don't let it get too hot. For weight loss, I would give this tool 2 thumbs down. For soft tissue health, I give this tool 2 thumbs up. If there's a product that you want me to review next, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.